afternoon. I'm Joyinto Bakchi. I'm representing NSHM College Campus. Presently, I'm associated with NSHM College Campus and I'm heading the Branding and Communication Department of NSHM College Campus. Say, NSHM is an institute which has specialized in professional degree courses. We have been in the uh, we have been in this industry for the last 25 years. And what is special about NSHM that we started with a view that we will start or we will offer all professional degree courses, which are all affiliated to West Bengal University of Technology, or which is presently known as MACAUT. Now, currently, we have two campuses, one in Kolkata, another in Durgapur, and we offer around multiple undergraduate and postgraduate courses across seven domains, broadly speaking. One is tourism, one is hospitality, second is engineering, then you have health sciences, then management, business and management, media, design, and computing and analytics. These are the seven domains, and we offer multiple undergraduate and postgraduate courses across these seven domains. And as I said earlier, that we specialize in offering professional degree courses, which has been our aim from the very beginning. Digital marketing has brought a major change. The way we look at marketing, especially in the education management genre. The change which primarily digital marketing has brought is there's a drastic increase in terms of number of leads. Now, say in our institute, we capture, say, around 60 to 70,000 leads. So the first and the foremost objective of getting into a CRM was to manage these large number of leads properly. Then the second point, once you have the leads, it's very important, and especially in the education market, what happens that the leads do not get converted instantly. So the engaging the leads is very, very important, and that is what we wanted to address through a CRM, that we wanted to engage the leads or nurture the leads in the best possible way. And that was the second objective of getting into a CRM. And finally, that any CRM, when you get into any CRM, what we normally look into is the marketing analytic part. So these are the three main points. One is managing the leads, then engaging the leads, and finally the marketing analytics, which help us to take timely and accurate decisions to tweak our marketing activities and based on the results which we get. The primary reason is definitely we wanted more flexibility because say every institute they has their own way of working, their requirements are different. So any service we get into, especially a CRM like this, so we always wanted that to be more flexible to accommodate our requirements and our needs. Secondly, we wanted that any organization or any service provider with whom we associate, they should have a good understanding of education management, especially the admission part. And finally, obviously, for any CRM or any such services, what we mainly look forward to is a very, very prompt after sales service, which is very important. So these are the primary reasons why we wanted to shift to extra rich. See, I mean, what I always believe that whenever we work with other associates, I mean, I take them as our own team members because unless that feeling develops, it's very difficult to work together. And that is the exact spirit which we have noticed in the exercise that teamwork, which is very essential. I mean, that is definitely there, and that will always help to solve all the problems which we both face while working. And yes, customer support. It's needless to say that we are satisfied, and we have seen they have been quite prompt in terms of providing the service. That XRISE is a part of NSSF team. So how can you expect that I would not say good about, I mean, my fellow team members? Yes, I would always recommend XRISE to others.